if I drive it in inclement weather. It's snowing like crazy in Reno. Oh yeah, still going. It's snowing like crazy in Reno, and I gotta get out, you know what I'm saying? Big block, true track, squirrely. A little cruising around in Reno, snowing for 8 hours, a wet, nasty snow. Let's see if I can't even get out of here. Back up a little bit, forward, bust through. There we go. What I was gonna do is go deposit some money at the bank at about noon, but at noon it was so heavy snowing where I worked that I had to get the plow truck and plow the whole place out, which was just ongoing because it's been snowing hard for 8 or 9 hours. Oh, I was going to go to the bank, so I better go to the bank. And not kick out too much yet. Check it out. It's missing. Going to deposit some money at the Bank of America. Here we go. Oh yeah, automatic windows. Side slide out of here. Probably not. Won't piss too many people off. Probably could. this low grip, doesn't really want to pitch out both wheels. I think it just still differentiates. It's not super consistent like a clutch pack differential. I had to come in here and look at my taillight because I want to fix my taillight lens situation. Yes, it's true. I can feel the True Track kind of not gripping consistently, so makes it a little tough to pitch out. Still a durable setup, but it's not super consistent at low traction. Geez, not a single parking place on the 7th floor of this place. Just need to check something. Let's see. I'm going to try to check what it'll take to take out this taillight so I can clean the interior, because I think it's really dirty inside, because that's brighter than this one. I'm going to take it out. I'll just figure out how to do that. Probably the interior silver is really dirty or dusty, so it's just not reflecting like it should. So we'll dig into it. So now holes, frame hole, water coming in, wetness. I'll have to get to it at some point. It's got 4 bolts, and to get it out, looks like 4 bolts and a bunch of glue and mastic and stuff and everything, and it's gonna not just be drop it out. I'll have to take the whole piece out. I'll have to do some more repair, kind of like I did in the trunk. That's not in very good shape. So there's it's not gonna be super simple. I'm gonna have to rebuild the metal that's behind there, because it's rusting out just about like it was doing here. So we'll get at it. Just doing some research. Rub it in there. Pretty dusty. I'm sure that's keeping the reflection down. Yep. And the LED's working pretty well. And what else do we got? I can see inside there that the red plastic is quite dirty and it's got some different dirt bits in there. That's what you're going to try to fix. See the dirt in there, I guess. Alright, got some reconstruction to do when I get to it. Who knows when? Oh yeah, I should probably park it. All the rust that is happening and can happen. Probably should, but maybe I will, maybe I won't. We'll see. I think I might take it to the salon and leave it there. Get my 4Runner, because it's pretty nasty out there. See if we can stuff this in the salon. Talk about getting dizzy. It's a small parking structure with lot of curves to get down and around and out. Look at the snow outside. We need some sheet metal repair and fabrication. Yep, lost some limbs on these trees. Don't want this guy to slip. So will we go to the salon? I don't know. Probably should. Activate wipers. I've got something kind of new. The gas pedal will go down about half an inch. Then it gets locked up somehow. Feels like maybe the cable inside is fraying and is getting bound up on something. Not really the greatest weather to do much checking and testing. Look at that hole. Alright. That's my gate. Can I get back there? We'll see. Actually, first, let me see. Put it in. Everything's getting wonky. My shifter doesn't really want to go into full park. So let's see. I'm going to shut it off. And I'm going to dim the lights and I'm going to check the gas pedal. It's got a... Oh no. I pushed through whatever the stop is. I wonder if it's just something's binding up just a little bit somewhere. Feels okay now. I'm flooding the carburetor. Yeah, it's okay. See if it starts. Ready? Hold it open halfway. Yep. Seems to be all right. Ooh, do I have my keys? I do have my keys. All right. This is as snowy as it gets in Reno. We're in the rain shadow of the Sierras, so mountains squeeze out all the moisture, or most of it, so it doesn't rain as much on this side of the Sierras. So there's enough snow here, about 8 inches, yet I can't get off traction, keep going. It's plowing enough snow I can't quite do it. Let's see what happens. gonna leave her in here for a bit. Not gonna work on them taillights. The weather's just pretty darn gnarly. And these need more than just a little bit of patching. I'd like to do it nice so that the weather can't get in there and keep doing more rusting. The trunk also needs it. The whole floor plan does, and the wings on the sides need it too. So, you know, I don't know. That's driving in the snow. And is now at the salon. Thank you, and you're welcome.